What's up, everyone? Sean here from Crypto on Cause Investing, back with your daily crypto update for May 8th. But let's go ahead and hop right in. Current crypto market cap is 1.154 trillion. 24-hour trading volume is 37.7 billion. BTC dominance is at 46.9%. ETH dominance is at 19.4%. Let's go ahead and check out our top gainers that we tend to follow. So there was some news with Binance that we will touch on in a little bit, but it did cause the market to drop slightly. So Bitcoin is down to 27,958. Ethereum is down to 1859. BNB finally broke staying in that mid 320s, which I think they've been for like a week or two, to 317. XRP dropped below the mid 45 cents to 43. Dogecoin did drop from the upper 7 cents to the mid 7 cents to 0.074. Let's go ahead and hop on over to DeFi. DeFi has a current market cap of 50.5 billion, even though trading volume is up 28% to 3 billion. And then when you come down to the top gainers, even though volume is up, some of the top gainers are down. So the top gainer of the day is STX, only up 11%, followed by RLC, which isn't even up 1%. So again, DeFi is so unpredictable. Sometimes we'll see volume skyrocket to 5 billion, and there is no huge gainers. Sometimes we'll see it bottom all the way down to 2 billion, 1.5 billion, but they have a couple tokens crushing at like 50, 60% up. So DeFi is just very unpredictable. You can't kind of read it like regular markets. It's definitely something that you have to pay attention to every single day if you're involved in. It's not a segment of investing that you can just invest in something and then come back in 6 months and see where it's at. You have to constantly follow your investment. But let's go ahead and take a look at some of that news. So Bitcoin falls after Binance twice pauses withdrawal. So if you hop on over here and you come on down, they're saying they temporarily closed BCC withdrawals as the BTC network has experienced congestion issues, which is definitely believable. I've traded Bitcoin, sent Bitcoin, received Bitcoin more times than I can count. Sometimes the network does get a little congested. I've sent Bitcoin and it's taken 5 minutes to go through. I've sent Bitcoin and it's taken hours to go through. So, it is the first cryptocurrency. The network is probably, when it was built, a little outdated compared to some of the networks today. So the network does get congested sometimes. But even if that is the full truth for your big boys like Binance, like Crypto.com, anytime there's the slightest infraction of any kind, people are going to get nervous after the FTX debacle. They are going to start pulling money. They are going to want off the platform because, again, crypto is not at the point where people fully trust it. Regulation is not clear. Nothing about crypto is clear. So, again, anytime there is any news on any one of your big exchanges, for that matter, even on small exchanges, but in particular, the big exchanges like Binance and Crypto.com in particular, they will move markets. If there's negative news next week on Crypto.com, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, they will all drop based on that news. Another article I found interesting was cryptocurrencies can be used for debt settlement in China. So let's come on down, and virtual assets in China can legally be used to settle basic relation debts such as exchange and labor, despite the nation's ban on cryptocurrency transactions. So that's the reason why I'm showing this article, is because they do have a ban on cryptocurrency. If you've been in cryptocurrency for a while, you know that every so often there's a news article coming out that says China's banned crypto and everything hits rock bottom, even though crypto's been banned in China. They've released articles, I swear, China's banned crypto 20 times. So it's interesting that they are saying you are allowed to use it to settle debts, which, again, all these small things that we keep seeing in crypto, like they have a ban on cryptocurrency, but now they're allowing you to use it for debt settlement. So all these small steps will just eventually start adding up to bigger steps to see us getting closer to that mainstream adoption, closer to regulation and all that. So what this might seem small, it's actually a bigger deal, because if there comes a time that China allows cryptocurrency to be traded, amongst their people, then the reverse will happen. When they announce that it's banned, it bottoms out. Well, if they announce that it's now allowed to be traded, it will absolutely skyrocket. So again, this is just one step closer to potentially maybe China lifting that ban on cryptocurrency, which, again, all of us early investors would love to see, because all of us here now, we are one of the 5% of people that are in crypto right now. Within the next 10 years, I think this number, it doesn't just double. I think it triples, quadruples, or maybe more. Because again, yeah, 10 years ago, there was basically no one. Now, 10 years later, there's 5%, but crypto is starting to catch on more and more. So I think over the next decade, we're going to go up more than 5%. That's what I see happening. Again, I never give financial advice on this channel. Always do your own research on anything you invest in. I just like reporting news, reporting the market. I love doing token reviews, all that good stuff. So if any of that interests you, go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel. And until next time, trade safe.